Dana here, and welcome to my garage. And this is going to be on a project today. Well, unfortunately, on the 96, the driver's side mirror got cracked when I was trying to move it in under for stored. So I'm down here on the 94 robbing right down the middle. Now when you look at it, you got double vision. So it's really quick and simple. You just got to pay attention to what you're doing, especially when you're removing your panel here. Okay, and this will be a quick one, even if you got to remove this to replace any of your controls here. Now what you got a press in right here that's going to go in here, and then you got the other one that locks in at the top, just like so. So when it's coming out, then in there like that, this is gonna line up with that, and you're gonna line up with one down below first, and then you're gonna push this down, and it'll lock in, and this will push down below in there. So now you want to pull that out of the way. Your 11mm nuts. Okay, I'm basically doing a reverse. So this is going to go, your cord's going to go back in here, and then it's going to come through, all the way through. See, it'll walk itself through. There you go. So now it's just going to line your studs up. You're going to come through. So you can sit like so. Now you're going to go ahead and put your nuts on. With that done. Oh, son of a gun. Don't tighten them too tight. You'll break the stud inside the other section here. Hardest part about this, hold on to the nuts. I'm going to drop them down in the door, and then you have to take the door panel off. And get them. Just snug. Okay? Now what you need to do, you're going to have to fish this back down through there. You can do it with your fingers. It's not hard. Just back up through here. You can get as far up in there on that as that. Now, look right here. There's the plug. Just play with it for a minute. You can get it lined up, and then you just take your two fingers, wrap around one side, and then just squeeze the bottom up, and you lock it in. Okay, so it takes care of that. Now you're installed. Okay, now next step, again, like I said, go ahead and put your control panel back in. You line this back up down the back like so. Get your front this in, slide that down, and there we are. Now your control panel's in, that panel's in. Last one you have, can make sure those bushings that's sitting on there so it's not rubbing on anything. Next thing is you got your inner panel here that's got to go line that up right inside there, and you got another little clip like so, and then whoop, we're done. I've been fighting hornets the whole time here. So here we are. It's as simple as that. And then you'll turn your key on, and then you'll set it to the left, and then you'll adjust your mirror as so. Okay, there we are. And I'll take you up to the 96 and okay, here we are. I'll just put this one back together, and you can see no cracks in this one. It's just the exact same procedure, and just push it, so like I showed you, you're only going to need two tools. You need 11, something to pry with, screwdriver. Just be careful. You don't want to be, these being 20, 25 and 26 years old, this stuff is very, very fragile. So there we go. Yeah, it's ding dinging because something's screwed up in the ignition switch, causing it to continue to ding even though the keys aren't in. So anyway, that's where we're at. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch me on the next Crosby's Garage under Project Stand.